Welcome to another video in part of my quick move-in series. Now, for those of you that don't know, a quick move-in home is a brand new construction home that was either a spec build from the builder or it was under contract, but the buyer was not able to go through with the purchase for whatever reason. Either way, they offer a unique opportunity, an exceptional advantage for you in today's marketplace. Now, rather than having to wait the typical 8 to 11 months for a brand new home to be built, a quick move-in home is going to be available for occupancy anytime within the next 30 days to 3 or 4 months. Because these homes are much further along in the construction process, the builder has extra motivation to get them back under contract. As such, they are going to offer the absolute best incentives and possible price reductions on those homes. The home that I'm going to be featuring today is the Dalhart floor plan by Shaddock Homes. Now, the Dalhart is a 2-story home that offers 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, a flex room, a game room, and an oversized covered patio in 3,324 square feet of living space. This particular home is located in the Graham community of Light Farms, one of the most popular master plan communities in all of North Texas. And this community is served by the award-winning Prosper ISD. Now let's go take a look at the Dalhart. Welcome inside. One of the unique features about this home is the fact that 3 of the bedrooms are located here on the main floor, with 2 additional bedrooms, a game room, and a media room on the upper level. So it does give you a lot of different options and a lot of flexibility. Now, as you enter into the home, you've got this long hallway that leads all the way directly to the back of the home. And immediately to the left of the front door here, you do have one of the bedrooms. Pretty standard size as just a guest room. You've got the closet right there. As you exit, you do have a full bath for this bedroom right here. So you've got the sink, and then you have a tub shower combo. And even though this is not attached to the bedroom itself, there is another bath available for guest use. So you are not using just that bath the entire time. As you make your way down, next up we do have the office or the study, also here on the main level, just down off this hallway. Really nice modern light fixtures throughout this home. Then opposite the office, you do have another bath right here. So you got the sink and you got another tub shower combo right there. Then you have the laundry room, which leads out to the garage right here. Plenty of room to add some additional cabinets in there if need be. Then you have another bedroom here up off to the side. This one's a little bit smaller, may do for a guest room, something along those lines, or maybe one that's not going to be used as often, or maybe a baby's room. Nice size for that, would fit everything perfectly. As we continue and make our way down, as you go into the main living area, you've got this really beautiful chandelier right in the center of the room there. So it throws off all kinds of light, nice modern look. Then you do have the fireplace here at the back, nice mantle. And as we pan our way around, there's the nook area for eating. So your main dining area right there. And then your kitchen. So you've got nice quartz countertops. You've got the island right here that could comfortably fit 3, squeeze in 4 bar stools. You've got the white cabinets. And you've almost got like a distressed square tile backsplash. All Whirlpool appliances. And then you've got a Whirlpool oven and microwave and a KitchenAid commercial 6-burner gas cooktop right here. And as well as the farmhouse style single sink. I hope you're enjoying the tour of this property so far. If you'd like additional information, specifications, see the floor plan on this particular home, in the description below, I have got a link to the property details page, and it will give you all of that information as well as a list of all of the standard features. If you're interested in this community or any new construction community in the Frisco or Prosper area, but don't think this is exactly the floor plan for you, I invite you to reach out. Go ahead and call or text the number on the screen, or alternatively, go ahead and see in the description below, there is a link to my calendar. Feel free to schedule a call at a time that's convenient for you. I'd love to know more about what it is that you're looking for and help direct you and your family to the builder and or community that will work best for your needs. Make our way outside. Now outside here, the main feature is this really nice wraparound covered patio. So you've got lots of shade right here. So this patio here is facing to the south. So you're gonna get sun in the afternoon coming in this way, and then you've still got plenty of yard area right here. You've got a gas stub out right there for a barbecue. And we'll head back inside. Adjacent to the stairs over here, you do have the entrance to the master bedroom. So again, a really nice modern light fixture here. Plenty of light in this room. I'd say it's a fairly average size master. And then you've got the master bath here. So you've got a soaking tub, separate shower. Then you have the dual vanities right here, a linen closet, and then this goes through to a walk-in closet right here, which also has additional storage as it tucks back around underneath the stairs there. So that's nice. Can never have enough storage. And from here, we will make our way upstairs. So here at the top of the stairs, you are going to enter into the game room. So you do have the window at the back, but on this wall at the front here, you do have additional hookups for TV. Over this way, you do have a half bath powder room upstairs, right here. Adjacent to the game room, you do have a media room. So again, all pre-wired for your sound. Could even add in a projector if you would like. And then over this way is where you're going to find your 2 additional bedrooms. So you got one of the bedrooms right here. Again, a fairly standard size secondary bedroom with the closet. So between the 2 bedrooms, you are going to find the 4th bath. So we got the sink and vanity there, and another tub shower combo here. And then we make our way to the last bedroom, so bedroom 5 here on the front of the home. Again, similar size closet and all of the secondary bedrooms. Thank you for spending some time touring this Shaddock home in Light Farms with me today. Now I'm interested, what is your favorite feature about this home? Or what is it that you didn't like? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear I'd love to get your opinion on this particular home. And again, if this home isn't exactly what you're looking for and you'd like information on other communities, other builders, anywhere in the Frisco or Prosper area, I invite you to reach out. You can call or text the number on the screen, or in the description below, there is the link to my calendar. Go ahead and schedule a call. I'd love to talk to you to learn more about your needs and then match you up with the builder and community that will work best for you and your family. Now, if you found value in this video today, go ahead, hit that thumbs up, subscribe to this channel as I release new videos just like this one each and every week, along with market updates so you can keep track of the latest trends in the Frisco and Prosper marketplace. And now don't go anywhere, as I know you'll enjoy one of these videos coming up next.